Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fix this AMD error. The version of AMD software that you've launched is not compatible with your currently installed AMD graphics driver. Okay, so all you have to do is go to Start menu, right click, go to Device Manager. Alright, and then you go down to Display Drivers, Adapter, right click, Properties, Driver, and then you can roll it back and restart your computer and see if that works, if that fixes the problem. Otherwise you can just uninstall the device. Just right click again, uninstall the driver, and then you can go to your browser, type in AMD drivers, right, choose the first one. This is the catch-all page, and you can download this driver here. You don't have to search for it, just download this one, and that should do it. Okay,